Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, it is all coming out now, and this time it is coming out of Ghana, and I am of course talking about the pastors, African pastors. So with that guys, I bring you this. Every pastor loves big buttocks. We will all lose if there is a test. This is according to a Reverend Obofour from Ghana. So again, the headline: every pastor loves big buttocks. We will all lose if there is a test, and this is attributed to a Reverend Obofour from Ghana. So let's go into exactly what he has to say. Reverend Obofour, one of Ghana's popular pastors, made a shocking claim of all pastors loving women with big buttocks. The founder of Anointed Palace Chapel stated that he is always stunned when people accuse pastors of womanizing when everyone loves big buttocks. Reverend Obofour also took a swipe at pastors in organized churches who, according to him, think they are way better than pastors in a one-man church. If all pastors in Ghana, elders and all church leaders are sitting and a woman with a big buttocks passes, everyone will turn around and look at him, and that should be look at her, by the way, because we all love big buttocks, Obofour said on a live TV interview. So there's no refuting that he said this, because he actually said this on a live TV interview. So really what this guy is telling us is what we already know. All these pastors are no more than chancers who just use the church as a business opportunity and an opportunity to get easy access to women. Go and speak to Pastor Iginla. Go and find out about Apostle Suleiman. The list is endless. TB Joshua, all of them are mentioned in this category. So this guy is now coming out to state that, look guys, don't be fooled. We're no different from the rest of the guys. We're no different from other men. We're all interested in this thing, and if the opportunity presents itself, we will take it. So now, at least now we have heard it from the horse's mouth, so there's really no refuting this anymore. Let's just go into some of the comments, see what people are making of this. This is what Emmanuel M has to say. You love big bum, not everybody or pastor. Speak for yourself, because you are not a mind reader. Only God knows what is in our hearts. If you are attracted to big bum, it means you are lusting in your heart, and better get your heart checked before you commit adultery. So he's now saying that you cannot attribute this to everyone, because you are not in any position to speak on behalf of everyone. So I can agree with that. There's no disputing that. So this guy cannot speak for every pastor, but although we do know that is common practice amongst a lot of pastors. So Proudly Nige, this is the next commentator. Proudly Nige, why is this stereotyping all pastors? Fool. So that's just agreeing with the previous commentator. This is Juliet Iwono, attention seeker. This is what she thinks of him, and I think pretty much every comment seems to be against this guy so far. So this is what Cheryl has to say. Speak for yourself, sir. Anonymous, make this world do end self. I don't know what that means. This is what Usi has to say. You are 90% correct, Pastor. So yes, I agree with that as well, because he is largely correct, because all of the anecdotes that we're hearing from these churches tallies with what this guy has said, that these pastors are no more than chancers who are just there to take the money off the gullible and take advantage of their women. This is all we hear from the churches. You know, this one that will go and predict that a woman will become the president of America, and then it turns into Donald Trump, and he says he's not a woman but a woman. I can't recall rather who said that, but it was one of these prominent pastors. You know, all these rude, ridiculous things that they do, but really their interest is exactly as this guy has described. They're just interested in the women and the money. So now, conversations in the comment section. What the pastor said is what we are discussing. But before you come share thoughts with me about what this pastor from Ghana said, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come share opinions with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you there. But here I say peace.